We're working on the restoration right now of T1 services, digital services for cell sites, hospitals, 911 emergency systems, and regular, customer served T1 facilities. We got about 30 technicians hitting the road this morning, and we've got some cut fibers that construction crews are going to be going on to handle, and hitting the cell sites, and 2 hospitals that we have some circuits that are down. The hospitals are not out, but they have circuits that are down, and we're going to go get those restored first thing this morning. Fiber facilities are our main carriers, and repairing those first, they get the most amount of people up in the shortest amount of time.
We've got a fiber optic cable that runs from Laplace to Norco. It's going down, and our objective is to find out where it's broken, how many spots. Tree trimmers are working behind me to clear the lines, get everything out the way so we can get in there and work and be safe.
It's an RT site that runs pretty much this whole area here. It ran out of power because AC's out, and it goes on battery backup, but then that only lasts 24 to 48 hours, so it's been like 2 days, so it's completely out of service. So we just brought a generator to repower it.